Alright, we're going to align a shape. So with the three shapes selected and the Drawing Tools Format tab, let's see, I think we already, well, no, we haven't done this. Okay, click the Align button to align the objects menu again and align middle. Okay, so now that these are centered in the slide. Alright, so ours look like theirs. Alright, now we're going to drag the horizontal guide to 3 inches. So let me see where it is. It's down here above the center. So we want to move this 3 inches above. And the vertical guide 6.66 inches to the left of the center. So let me see if I can find, here it is, to the left of the center. So right there. Alright. Select the arrow and drag it upward so its upper left corner touches the intersection of the vertical and horizontal guides. So upper left. And I can't remember where my horizontal guide is. Believe that's it right there. Because there's that one. And then this one. I believe that's right. So your vertical, you have your vertical and your horizontal right here. And let me make sure. Upper left corner of arrow, drag to guide intersection. So I believe we have that right. We'll keep going and see. Alright, so we want the arrow still selected. So we want to rotate this. And we want to rotate it. We want to click flip vertical. So arrange, rotate, and flip vertical. Alright. Let's see if that looks like what they have. Let's try that again. So make sure the arrow is selected, which I believe it is. Arrange. We want it to point upward. So rotate. There we go. So that it flips upward. All right. Let me make sure I didn't skip All right, so we did that. It was going down, now it's up. With the arrow shape selected, display the Drawing Tools Format tab to display the Send Backward menu. All right, so let's try that. Send to back. And ours is already behind it. All right, display the Home tab, click the Select button. So you're going to go to the Home tab and you're going to select Editing and select All to select all 4 slide objects. And make sure it did it. Let me click off of the arrow. Now let me do it. So, drawing, no. Editing, and then select all. All right, now we have all sides. Now, we want to click the drawing tools and click the group button. All right, and it says click the group command to combine all the shapes. All right, let me make sure. All right, I'm going to try that again because first let's do drawing or editing, select all. And let me make sure that I'm, all right, drawing, editing, select all. Okay, now go to the Format tab and then go to the, I believe it's Arrange Group. All right, so it is grouped. All right, now we're going to insert additional shapes. So with the Drawing Tools Format tab, click the Symbol More button. The down arrow, it's over here on the side. So right here. Actually, to display the shapes gallery. So it's this one and this one. Insert 3 shapes at the bottom of the slide. The moon shape, the 10 shape, and the 10th shape in the 3rd row. So 1, 2, 3. So right here. All right, the moon. So I'm just gonna, I don't know exactly where it wanted it. I'm just gonna stick it right here. All right, we got the moon. The flowchart punch tape banner shape. So the flowchart, the banner shape, which is the 4th shape in the 2nd row. All right, we're just going to stick it down here for now. And then the flowchart shape and the sun shape, the 9th shape in the 3rd basic shape rows. So the 9th shape in the 3rd basic shapes row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. So that one, let's just put it right here. Drag the moon to the lower left side of the slide. All right, lower left. I'm just going to put it right there. And the banner under the oval. And then the sun to the right of the slide. Select the 3 new shapes. Click the Shape Styles More button. So I'm going to select these by holding down Control. And then select the 3 new shapes. Click the Shape Styles More button. And apply the light 1 outline color fill, green accent 2 shape style. So it's this 3rd style in the 3rd theme row. All right. We want to resize the moon. So click off of it and click back on it. And we want it to be 1.5 by 0.8. And let me make sure that worked. All right, and then we want to do the sun 1.5 by 1.5. And then resize the banner to 1.5 by 6.5. Align the banner so that the left edge is 3 inches left of the center. So right there. And the lower edge is 3.5 inches below the center. So 3, and then the lower left edge is 3.5. I believe that's right. So along the 4th vertical grid line. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, that's right. Alright, if necessary, select the moon and then click the Bring Forward button. So select the moon and then click the Bring Forward button to reposition the moon above the banner. So you want the right edge 2 inches left from the center. So right there. And the lower edge is 3.5 inches below the center. So you can scroll down and look to make sure that it is where it needs to be. Looks like mine needs to come over a little bit. The left edge. So right, the left edge needs to be two inches right of the center. So here's the 2 inches mark. And I believe I have that right. As you're moving it, look up here where this is. So this needs to be at 3. And then this left edge needs to be at 2. So look up there and that will really help.